This is the 1 minute and 36 second pizza cooked in the Gozney Arc XL. Stick around and watch this video. Leave a comment down below and let me know how long you think you could cook a pizza in the Gozney Arc XL. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John, and today right in front of me we have a stopwatch and we have the new Gozney Arc XL. I'm gonna go ahead and see how fast I can make a pizza in this oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside. It's just gonna be a simple cheese pizza. I'm not gonna show you how I make that. Again, you've seen that plenty of times. Again, the road test or real thing to see is how fast the pizza will cook in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get inside, and when I come back outside, we'll go ahead and get the stopwatch going to see how long it takes to cook in the oven. Let's take a look real quick and see what we're looking at as far as the oven. We're looking close to 800, middle a little bit close to 750, and at the edge over here to the right about 800. So I'm gonna go inside and get this pizza made, and we'll be back shortly. All right, so we're back outside now. Let's go ahead and we're gonna get this launched in. Once I get it on there, then I'm gonna go ahead and push record and start. So let's go ahead and watch that. All right, so we're still looking pretty good. Again, we have the flame on roughly about medium high. So we're about 25 seconds in, 30 seconds in now. A little windy too, so that also may have an issue with that. But at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and let's get this inside or spun around. And it's just a small little pizza. All right. I already know what happened there. All right, and we're still spinning it. About a minute and 10 seconds in. All right, about a minute and 20 and about a minute and 30 is what we're looking at now. So about a minute and 35 seconds, 36 seconds, nice and cooked all the way around. Just look at that. So let's go ahead and let's get this inside the cool. This pizza cooked in the Gozney Arc XL for 1 minute and 36 seconds. Look how good it looks, cooked all the way around. The cheese is fully melted, so it's definitely doable to do a 90-second pizza in the oven. I'm gonna eat this pizza probably in less than a minute and 36 seconds because I'm starving. Like this video, comment, check out my other videos, go on my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.